back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Elaine. Welcome. Make sure to introduce yourself down below. I'm a weight loss coach, a fitness enthusiast, and an activewear lover. Today we are reviewing the Echt Apparel Divine set that just launched a few months ago. I honestly can't believe Echt Apparel has so many different sets that are launching this summer. It's insane and kind of hard to keep up with, but I will be reviewing different sets throughout the next coming months as they launch more items. If you're looking for ways to support me, pop over to my website, www.fitnessbeyondaesthetics, for all my merch, my Amazon finds, my discount codes, my weight loss coaching, and anything else that you could possibly need, including my one-on-one weight loss coaching consultation calls, which launched a few weeks ago. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. My measurements will be in the description box below, and the items will be timestamped for your convenience. Now, without further ado, let's get on with this review. Getting straight into the sports bra. So this is a basic scoop neck sports bra that has a T back. The material of the Divine line is a little bit of a thick, kind of slightly ribbed material at the waistband and at the bra band of this set. It has these gorgeous speckles, these gold speckles, because I got the gold and the black set. And overall, it is a medium coverage sports bra. You got a little bit of cleavage, but not too much cleavage going on. When it comes to the sizing, I got my usual size small, and I would say that this is very true to size. There is a lot of room to grow in here. I don't feel anything cutting in. If you're someone who is between sizes and you've got a smaller cup size, I would recommend sizing down. If you're someone who's between sizes and you've got a larger than average cup size, I would suggest sizing up so that you do get a little bit more coverage. In terms of the side boob, we are getting a good medium to high coverage on the side boob. I'm not spilling out anywhere, and I do feel very held in. When it comes to support, I'm a 32C right now, and I would say that this gives me a medium support. It is not holding me in, like sucking my titties up to my chest, but it is giving me enough support that I would be more than comfortable doing HIIT or doing any kind of intense cardio in this bra with my girls jiggling around just a little bit. The straps for this are a little bit wider, and they do lay very comfortably on my skin. I don't feel them cutting into my traps, which is an issue that I do have on occasion with some sports bras. The straps, however, are not adjustable, which is fine. They did a very good job with the measurements on this to make sure that they're not cutting in at your traps. When it comes to the bra band here, it is comfortable. It lays on the skin very well. It's not pushing my fat down or anything, which as someone who has more weight in their stomach can get a little bit annoying and can be an issue with some sports bras, but I find that this isn't pushing my fat down or anything. It's not giving me a muffin top effect. And as you can see, there is a very big and bold Echt Apparel logo on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Honestly, I feel like more people would love Echt Apparel's items if they would minimize the logoing a bit, because to be honest, it's a lot. Like, you got it here, like, and on the back, and at the bottom of the leggings. Like, Echt Apparel, we get that it's your brand. We can tone it down a little bit on the logoing. Like, it's a lot. So if you're someone who does not like very showy logoing, this set is probably not going to be for you. And honestly, a lot of Echt Apparel stuff does have very big logoing, so their items may not be for you overall, despite the fact that they make some amazingly cute and unique designs. I absolutely love this set. This does come with removable cup pads, and they are comfortable cup pads. They don't show through the bra width, so I've been keeping them in. They do move around a little bit, but it's not anything that's too noticeable that ruins the bra. When it comes to the back of the sports bra, we've got the simple T back. It is nice and full coverage, and then we've got the rubber Echt Apparel logo that is on at the top of the T bra. Overall, I do like this design of the Divine bra. One of my only complaints is really just like the amount of logoing that is not only on this bra, but like just this set overall. It's a gorgeous design. I love how the gold speckles are kind of like embossed in there, and it is overall just it's a simple bra, but it's unique in its own way due to the speckles that they have put in the material. One thing that I will caution is that if you are currently in the heat wave, like I was like a couple weeks ago when I put up my shorts review, this is not going to be the set to be wearing in a heat wave, because it does hold heat in quite a bit. And honestly, I was wondering why Echt Apparel kept releasing like winterish type stuff. And then I realized that they're an Australian company, so I'm in summer right now, but they're in winter. So this item is great for the fall, for the summer to fall transition, and great for winter because it holds heat in very well. But I would not recommend this set specifically if you're somewhere where you're currently having a heat wave or it's always really, really hot during your summers. Next, we've got the Divine leggings, which are a seamless legging, so no front seam, no back seam, no seams anywhere, with a high rise ribbed waistband. As you can see, the fabric is again with the gold speckles embossed in the legging, and we've got ribbed side panels on the side which separate the front and the back and actually provide a little bit of contouring not only to your quads but also to your glutes. I really do like the side paneling detail on the leggings. There are two logos on the waistband of these leggings, and then there is another logo at the ankle of the leggings. Now, when it comes to sizing, I got my usual size small in these leggings, and I would say that they are true to size. However, if you're between sizes and you hold more weight in your stomach, I would highly recommend sizing up, because especially if you're short, because as someone who is 4'11", when I am a bit more full, I definitely get the muffin top effect because this waistband is more of a medium high compression. So as someone who does have a belly, when I am even more full, this is definitely just kind of compressing a little bit too much and it's a little bit uncomfortable. Additionally, because I am short and I have a short torso, so this is about a 4-inch high waistband. So if I am to hike it up how I want so that my booty looks bomb, I end up clashing between the sports bra and the waistband. So what I like to do is actually roll it down. It folds very nicely, but when you do this, it does provide additional compression. So if you're someone who is a shorter torso and you want this set but you intend to roll down the waistband like me, you're going to want to size up so that once again you're not getting the muffin top effect. When it comes to the compression of the overall legging, I would give it a medium to high compression, and it is a little bit of a thicker material so that it does hold heat in well. Like I mentioned when I was talking about the sports bra, these leggings and this set overall is great for the summer to fall transition and wearing in the winter because it holds heat very well. I would not consider this set like hot summer or heat wave friendly. You're going to just feel overheated in the gym. When I did work out in this set initially, in my gym, it was only about 25 degrees Celsius outside, so I was very comfortable. But if it was anything above that, keep in mind my gym is also air conditioned, if it was anything above that, I would have just felt uncomfortable, and I was sweating a butt ton when I was working in this set, and I think that was just because this set does hold heat in very well. When it comes to the crotch, we got no front seam, we got no camel. I'm not wearing underwear right now and I am covered. And we've also got no booty seam, so if you decide to hike up the booty and try to wedge it up in between your butt, it's not going to cause additional crotch wedging essentially and giving you a horrendous camel. You might get a little bit of Barbie camel depending on how high you decide to hike up the crotch area, but that is going to be on an individual basis. Speaking of the crotch, yes, I do have a little bit of extra crotch fabric, and usually to resolve this I would size down. However, because of how high compression the waistband is, sizing down for me was definitely not an option in this set unless I wanted to look like I was constantly having a muffin top. So if you're shorter, expect there to be a little bit of crotch fabric, but you can definitely shuffle the fabric around, wedge it up into your booty to kind of reduce the amount of crotch gathering that you have with these leggings. When it comes to the sweat and functionality of this set, it is so sweat proof, so sweat wicking, you ain't gonna see anything regardless of what exercise you're doing. So boo, go off. I did not see a single drop of sweat in this. I definitely felt wet when I was doing my workout, but I did not see it, which I love. So no crotch sweat, no booty sweat. This is sweat proof. You are good to go, at least in this colorway. Now, when it comes to squat proofness, these are fully squat proof. I'm going to put a video of me squatting in these leggings in the gym so that you can see it in that lighting versus my lighting where I have the box lights on me. These are fully, in my opinion, squat proof. I might change my mind when I review the footage, but at least in the gym footage, they were squat proof, and they are also very cellulite proof. So this is going to be a great pair of leggings for my girls who don't like their cellulite showing through their leggings. These leggings got you covered. When it comes to how flattering these leggings are, I am going to give them a solid medium. Almost like a medium high on the booty scale, because these leggings, you can wedge them up in your booty and they stay. They actually stay in place. So if you are able to kind of maneuver it so that you can wedge it up in your booty and it will stay in place, you do actually get some nice glute enhancement going on. Keep in mind, my booty right now is like a solid 39.25 inches. So yes, it might look like it's doing a lot, but I just have a big booty at the moment. It's not just the leggings, okay? But it does enhance your booty regardless. And like I said, the side paneling on the side also contours your quads, which I am completely here for. When it comes to the length of these leggings, I would say that they're a solid 26 to 27 inch inseam. As you can see, as someone who's 4'11", I have ankle bunching, which realistically should always be the case, unless it's like the navigation leggings where you can hike them up so high that it shortens the legs. But I am not the average size female. I don't expect leggings to fit me. Wow, I just realized my camera was like completely lopsided there. Awkward. But like I was saying, I am not the average size female, so I don't expect leggings to be full length on me unless I get a 25-inch inseam. So it's good that these leggings are a bit longer to accommodate those of you who are taller. Overall, I am once again very happy with the quality of Echt Apparel's items. These leggings, when I got them on sale, were about, I think I bought them for about $50 Canadian. So I'm not upset. I'm very happy with the quality. I think the quality and the price are justified. However, Echt Apparel always puts things in their outlet. They always have a sale going on of some sort. So, and they have athletes who also have discount codes. So if you're interested in this set, definitely hunt around or wait a couple weeks or a month. And I'm sure that this sale will go back into their outlet, or I'm sure this set will go back into their outlet, or they'll have a sale where you can get it at a good price. But definitely recommend this, especially going into fall and winter. This is going to be a staple in my collection, especially because it makes me feel really good. I love the black and gold combination, and I don't have anything in my collection even close to this kind of pattern. Very unique. Love that they are innovative, and once again, I'm gonna keep buying more Echt Apparel stuff and reviewing their stuff, because every time I find something unique and I'm just like, love that for them. Love that for them. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you and your time. Comment down below. Is this set something that you're interested in? Have you already tried this set? How has it been holding up for you? If you're looking for ways to support me, pop over to my website, www.fitnessbeyondaesthetics.com, for all my merch, my discount codes, my Amazon finds, my weight loss coaching, and my one-on-one weight loss consultation calls. I hope you have a wonderful day. Always remember that your mindset is everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.